Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your Doogee X80, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down, click on the system, enter language as an input, click on the virtual keyboard, and now you have to enter the keyboard that you are using. So in my case I'm going for the Gboard, go for the theme, and right here we got all themes available on the smartphone. And if you want to pick up one of this following, you have to just click on it. And there's the preview how it is going to change. You can also show the keyboard errors. Oh. And it will be look like that. And just tap apply if you want to set it up. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.